Planning is an important part of starting a business. It helps you set goals, prioritize tasks, and keep track of progress. Here are 5 essential planning strategies that will help you plan effectively. First, identify key resources. One of the first things you should do when planning your startup is identify key resources. These might include people, money, equipment, software, or other items that are needed to launch your company. For example, if you want to open a bakery, you might need to buy a mixer, baking pans, and ingredients. Second, find funding. Once you have identified your resources, you will need to determine how much funding you need to build your product. According to Dave Levinsky, the 5 most common funding sources are funding from personal savings, business loans, friends and family, and angel investors. Third, create a business plan. A business plan is a document that outlines your goals, objectives, and strategy for building your company. It should also contain financial projections and other key metrics that will help you measure your success. The first step in creating a business plan is deciding what kind of business you want to start. For example, if you want to launch a new product line, you might decide to create a prototype, conduct market research, and develop a marketing strategy. Fourth, build a minimum viable product. MVP is a prototype of your product that you build first before launching your full product. This allows you to test out your idea with real users and gather feedback before investing too much money into developing your product. Fifth, identify your market niche. Once you have an idea for what you want to build, you need to identify who will use your product. You should consider the following questions when determining your market niche. What problem does your product solve? Who is your ideal customer, and how do you plan to reach them? Following these 5 strategies will help you to well establish and grow your startup. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and visit skilltex.com to find a step-by-step tutorial on how to start a business. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more learning materials on business and management.